After watching this video, you'll be able to add and manage pipes in the Schematic Creator environment and produce schematic and line list deliverables for later use in routing. Schematic Creator is a new tool built into Aspen OptiPlant3D layout. Users can specify the starting and ending objects in a model, and Schematic Creator will pick the nozzle type and automatically add lines into the line list. This cuts back on time spent entering data into the line list manually. Lines may be connected to any equipment, to another line as a branch connection, or to pipe rack levels as a battery limit connection. Let's take a look at Schematic Creator in action. First, we will launch OptiPlant and open the Test Project Process Plant Layout model. We will select all the objects from the model and click Auto Route Schematic Creator. This will launch the Schematic Creator app in a separate window with all the selected objects spread across different sheets. Here, Schematic Creator has been set to display 3 pieces of equipment per sheet. This number can be controlled by the admin via a configuration file named Schematic Creator Data Configurator. The Data Configurator CSV file is present in the installation folder. Next, click Object Explorer in the ribbon. On the right-hand side of the screen, a list of the equipment and rack volumes across all sheets will appear. From here, we can select any object from its ID and move it to a different sheet. To move the equipment within the same sheet, hold the Control key and left-click on the item to drag. In the Pipe Browser tab of Object Explorer, we can view any existing lines from the line list. As more lines are added within Schematic Creator, they will appear in the Pipe Browser. Let's add a pipe to our schematic by clicking Add Pipe from the ribbon. As we bring the cursor close to the location on the equipment where we want the pipe to be connected, we are shown the object's ID and the valid OptiPlant nozzle type as a tooltip. We can also see this information at the bottom left corner of the screen as we move the cursor. Click to set the starting point of the pipe. Notice how the command in the bottom left has changed to select End Equipment. Now, when we select the location for the endpoint of the pipe on the other piece of equipment, Schematic Creator will automatically draw the line between the units. It will also assign line attributes to the pipe. These may be edited simply by clicking on the value beneath the line. The default line attributes, which dictate how lines are labeled automatically, can be changed at any point by clicking the configuration gear in the ribbon. Schematic Creator will increment the sequence number as more lines are added. Next, click Line List to display the list of all published lines in a sheet at the bottom of the screen. As we can see, the line list for Sheet 2 includes the pipe we have just added. Let's say we want to add a pipe that connects 2 pieces of equipment located on separate sheets of our schematic. First, we'll select the starting point of the pipe. Again, notice that the command changes in the bottom left corner. Enter the sheet containing the end equipment and click the location for the connection. Schematic Creator automatically displays a sheet connector on both the starting and ending sheets, listing the equipment ID and sheet number of the connected unit. Similarly, in the case of a line starting or ending at a branch connection or the battery limit, we will connect the pipe to another pipe or the rack volume, respectively. To delete a pipe from the schematic, you will click Remove Pipe in the ribbon and select the pipe that we want to delete. In the pop-up dialog that ensues, click Yes to confirm the deletion. Once the pipe has been deleted, it no longer appears in the schematic or the line list. When all of our lines have been properly connected in Schematic Creator, we can generate two deliverables. The first is the schematic itself in PDF format that we can generate by clicking Publish. We can select specific sheets, all sheets, or a range of sheets, and Schematic Creator will generate the PDF file. The second is an LLS file, or the line list, that we can open directly in OptiPlant. When we are finished, ensure to save the schematic drawings and exit the Schematic Creator. We can now proceed with the routing of the pipes.